All right, welcome back. We're going to do ISO object number 3. So this is one we're going to work on right now. Same kind of idea. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by creating this front face of this shape. So it's going to be kind of a weird looking shape, almost like a smallish type S. But I'm going to start by doing that. So I'm going to just go over up and over like that and then extrude it out this way. All right, so I want to get my measurements down. I'm going to start my line right here. So it's a ½ inch down, 1 inch over, and then I'm going to go up farther to here, which will make that 1.5 inches and over another inch. So I'm going to create a new document, call it ISO 3. All right, and I'm going to create a sketch, and I'm just going to do my front face again this time. And I'm going to use the line tool. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to start right here, create a line, go down ½ inch. All right, go over 1 inch. Go up. What did I say? 1.5. I believe. Just double check. So I'm gonna go 1.5, and then over an inch. So up 1.5, over 1, and then I'm going to go up again to do this spot right here, which is 1. I'll type in 1, go over, which will be this line right here, which is 1, 2, 3, which would be 1.5. Enter. I'm going to go down a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 inches. Click here, go down 2, and this should connect right together if we did it all correctly, which it does. Beautiful. So this is the face that I'm going to create, and I'm going to extrude it out. So I'm going to go for this full depth right here. So we got a total of 1 inch, 2 inch, 4 inches. So I'm going to go to extrude. I'm going to go at an angle here again. I'm going to go 4 inches, enter, and click check. So this is what we got right here. So it's not the exact same object, because what we're going to do now is we're going to cut this away right here. And there's a couple of different ways of doing that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sketch right on this face here, and I'm basically going to make a square. So the square is 1.5 inches tall by 1.5 inches wide. So I'm going to create a sketch on this face. Here, sketch, there we go. I'm going to look at it from the left view here. Like I said, I'm going to create a rectangle, corner rectangle. I'm going to start from this corner, the top right corner. Let me click my tool, there we go. I'm going to create this rectangle. Again, this is going to be 1.5 by 1.5. All right. So if we look at it, it looks like this guy here. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to extrude. I'm going to select that, which it does. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click remove. And the depth of it, I want to change the end type, which is blind. I want to change it to through all. And click done. So now we got our object looking pretty close to what it should, which is this right here. Only thing we're missing are the holes. So I'm going to take my measurement of my hole. So this guy is a ½ inch over with a ½ inch diameter and a ½ inch down from the top. So I'm going to create another sketch. Click on sketch, click on this face here, change it to my left. Now I'm going to use a circle tool here. So my circle tool, I'm going to do a center point circle. All right, I'm going to click it just somewhere over here and change that diameter to 0.5. And I'm going to measure that distance. Again, the center point is a ½ inch from the top here, and it is about 0.75 inches from the left. So I'm going to go here, go on dimension, click on this top line, click on the center point. That brings it over here. I'm going to click and then change that to 0.5. Then I'm going to dimension from this line to the center point and click. And again, that is 0.75. Enter. All right. And click escape to get out of my sketching tool. So now we got that circle there, and we're going to hit extrude. Click again, I'm going to click remove and change from blind to through all. Click the check. Now if you notice, I got a hole going all the way through. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing for the top of it here. All right, so let's check where this hole is going to be. It's the same size, it's a 1/2 inch hole. Again, it's a 1/2 inch over and a 1/2 inch over from both that corner there. So I'm going to create a sketch on that face. Look at my top view. Do another hole. Click, click, type in 0.5. Go to dimension. Click on the center point and this line. Bring it down. Change it to 0.5. Click on the center point and this line. I'll bring it over here. Type in 0.5, and then I'm going to extrude that hole. Again, I'm going to do a remove and through all and check. So now if you look at it, the hole is going all the way through. Look at it from our diagonal here, and it looks the exact same as that guy there. All right, so that is ISO object number 3.